All right, y'all, instead of a wreath recipe, we're just gonna do a recipe for a centerpiece, a Halloween centerpiece. I got this last year at Walmart, and I got this from Amazon. I put gaps and cracks on it. It's good and dry. I stuffed it with some anything you can, polyfill. This is Hobby Lobby bags, and I'm gonna glue it to the top. I'm going to trim this down with my bread knife. We're going to cut up some fall leaves. Give them in a hot glue and dip it and stick it. I have a couple of pieces of fall filler. Let's add some of these black leaves. Next, we're going to go in with some of these, some purple and black filler. I think I got it from Michael's last year. We got so much orange going on, we're going to need to pop in some black. We're going to pop in some black roses. I don't want the green, I'm going to take the green off. Add some purple roses. We need some fun picks in here. I got some eyeball picks. So I'm gonna cut this in half and we're gonna add that. We have some cute purple and orange and green sprays. We need to add some color in here. Cut it in half. We're gonna add us a fun bow. We're gonna use some eyeball ribbon to match the eyeball picks, some harlequin ribbon, and some black and purple glittery. This is double-sided, so I'm going to turn this the other way so we can see some glitter. We're going to zip tie this. But before we pull it too tight, we're going to go ahead and make a shepherd's hook right back here. We're going to bend this down. Pull this tight. Trim this off. Trim this down a little bit. Dab some glue. I'm going in. Trim our tails. I'm going to dab some glue down where that stick is. I'm going to give mine a slice of cake, Halloween cake on the other side. And I'm just going to glue it right to the side. Next, we're going to take this filler, and anywhere we have any holes where we can see the white foam, we're going to go and we're going to fill those in. We're going to add this little spider for an added touch, and then we're done. I hope you love it as much as me. See you next time.